Hey guys, good evening everyone. Am I audible to you? Hi everyone guys. Come on everyone. How are you? Come on quickly, so dull you people are, my dears. Do you know what is today's or concept name? Validation. Such charting is no longer public. Yes, I made public, my dears. Come on quickly. Yeah, we are eagerly, you people are waiting. So what is that topic is? Validations. Is it public now? Very good. Come on, what is validation? Already I defined the things. One session successfully we completed on validations. Today and tomorrow completely we are moving on validations. After that we are entering into, come on, after validations we are entering into bootstrap environment. Everybody, you are expecting bootstrap from me or doesn't require? First week of July, not first July. Himanshu. Completion mandatory or okay, no problem. Himanshu. Right. Right. Very good. What is web form? What are the form validations? How we are going to do the things? Very important, all these. Okay. A web form allows a user to enter data that is sent to a server for processing. These forms contain checkboxes, radio buttons, text fields, many things. Web forms are defined in formal programming languages. Okay, general VR. JavaScript form validation. Right. What is a validation? Already I said very clearly. Many constraints also I discussed with you validations level. Hope you people remember all these constraints in various ways. Yes, various ways you already knows. JavaScript validation level. What is that? HTML form validation can be done by JavaScript. JavaScript provides way to validate forms data in the client computer before sending to the web server. Can you tell me what is client, what is server? If you are giving this definition correctly, we are happy. What is client, what is server? Quickly. Come on, guys. What is client, what is server? No, server means not database. Wrong. Oh my God. Server is a computer. Wrong. Client means before sending to server. Wrong. Collection of web pages. Server. Wrong. Very good. Very good. Who is he? Saurabh. Okay, good. Okay, Banu. So finally, 250 members. Today, 70 members are there. In that one, 2 members correctly answered. 2 members. Actually, client many times explained to you. I defined also client many times. Okay. Birth was wrong. Yeah, where browser existed, that is called client. Where browser existed, that is called client. Many times I said, where response is coming, that is called server. Your caliber, you only analyze. Your caliber, you only analyze. Audio video is okay. Any disturbance from my side? Clear, perfect. Super. Excellent. So HTML form validation can be done by JavaScript. JavaScript provides a way to validate forms data on the client's computer before sending to the web server. Form validation generally performs 2 functions. Basic validation, data format validation. What is basic validation doing? What is data format validation doing? I'll explain to anybody. What is basic validation? What is data format validation? Anybody? Come on quickly. What is basic validation? What is data format validation? Very good, Nadeem. How people are responding, you only check it. Analyze after these many sessions. Data validation means type of data, correct. No, wrong, Himanshu. Yes, Rudra, correct. Remaining, basic validation, data format validation. Yes. Shall I move forward now? What about remaining members? You are not giving correct answers. Basic validation. Database format means type of input data must be required. No, that is data format I asked. Database I didn't ask. Question, you are not listening, my dear freshers. Do you know who is a fresher? Fresher means he never listen question. He is going to answer always. Fresher means he is in confused, making other people also confused. Come on, in emojis. Fresher emojis. Some people not responding, only 2 members responded. Rudra and Vijay remaining. Pressure means what? He is already in confused and he is trying to make other people also confused. Ask data validation, you said database. I didn't understand what is the relation between data and database. You can tell me, is there any relation between data and database? I don't know that. Right. So data validation, I'm going to already completed data validation. You can check it. It is a process of ensuring that the computer input is clean, correct. See, this much simple way explained to you, but how you are answering, that means of wrong kind of statements. I don't know that. The purpose of data validation. Validation can be defined by many different methods. Server-side validation is performed by the web server. Client-side validation is performed by web browser. See how much simply. I think already explained to you. Am I correct or not? This is not the first session for validation. Explained or not explained all these words? Notes also given to you, these notes. Come on, guys. Truth, you should agree quickly. Data means non-processed one. Data means raw data, raw facts, which is improperly aligned. That is data. Client-side validation performed by web browser. HTML constrained validations I'm showing. Observe here. These validations already shown to you. Constrained validations. Constrained validation, HTML input attributes. Constrained validation, DOM properties and methods. Disabled specifies that the input element should be disabled. Max specifies the maximum value of input element. Min specifies the minimum value of input. Pattern specifies the value pattern of input. Required. Type. And I said all these words. Database means it is a storage area, Ratnakumari. Database means it is a storage area. It is a backend which can store huge data in different formats. I hope you understood, Ratnakumari, what I said. Database is different one. Data is different one. Nowadays, data is big demand in the market. You know this? Nowadays, data is a big demand in the market. Do you know this? I don't know how many people having idea. Why Python that much? Why that Python that much popular? You can tell me. Why Python that much popular? Because of data. Python is giving correct solution for data. Python is giving correct solution for data. How Python is handling data like that no other technology handling. You know this? That much powerful handling Python. Python level huge kinds of libraries available. Okay, leave it. Come to that JavaScript. Disabled, we tried already. Max, we tried. Min, we tried. Pattern, we tried. Required, we tried. Type, we tried. So these are the constraints. Do you know what is the meaning of constraint? Do you know what is the meaning of constraint? Constraint is nothing but a condition. Constraint is nothing but a condition. If this kind of data you can accept, if this kind of data don't accept, if this kind of format you can accept, this kind of format don't accept. I think you understood what I'm saying. What is the meaning of constraint? Constraint is nothing but a condition. Disabled, max, min, pattern, required, type. Form data that typically are checked by JavaScript. Right. Now today I'm showing to you what kind of things you are going to check here. If a text input is empty or not, how you are checking a text box is empty or not? You can tell me that. If text input is all numbers or not, text input is all alphabets or not, text box required particular characters eligible or not. So there are many words. Has the user entered valid email address? If a text input is all alphanumeric characters, if a text input has the correct number, if a selection has been made from HTML, has the user entered a valid data, has the user entered text in numeric field? There are many form data that typically are checked by JavaScript. Come on, everyone. Total 10 points I wrote regarding validations. Maybe in your browsing level or in your browsing experience in the software industry level, these words are very common. I think already you heard. Heard or not, you only tell me all these words. Shall I show you some practically? Right, we'll see some practically all these things. If a text input is empty or not, all numbers are not, all our alphabets are not, as the user left required fields empty or not, as the user entered valid email address or not, all these things we'll try to observe one by one. Right. Come here. I'll try to see the things. Yeah. Right, Remo. So one small function I'm writing, you will observe. Function text box empty. So is there any condition for this function name? Script should be there. Script should be, sorry. Is there any condition available here? So function name must be like this available. Is there any condition? Any function name we can use? Any function name we can use. Okay, var. I'm using var. Var I'm using t field means text field is equal. I'm using document dot Get element by ID. You know already that. I'm using txt. Okay, good. If I'm giving one condition here, what that one? T field, correctly observe. T field dot value. T field dot value not equal to. Are you understanding? Not equal to. Then what I'm writing? Alert. I'm giving. Hello. You are entered. You are entered. What you entered there? Class and something you entered. T field. T field dot. Correct or not? You can check it once. Everyone, what I wrote. T field dot value not equal to. Not equal to what is that one? Empty. Then else I'm giving again. What is else level? Else alert. Sorry, you must enter some data. Logic clear or not, you can check and tell me. Any logic problem, try to find out. Giving 1 minute time to you. Very clear, very good. Remaining members. What I'm writing, are you getting? No question. Thank you. You got it. Now coming to text box level. Body level. I'm giving first form. What is form means? What is your question? Means what is your answer? Form means it is a container which can able to hold form controls. Action is equal to I said. I'm redirecting to html5.png. Okay, right. And now I'm writing. What is that one? Input type is equal to text box. Are you observing? Can you tell me ID is equal to? Can you tell me ID is equal to what ID you use? TXT. Excellent. Please observe properly. ID is equal to TXT. Then I'm writing. Completed. After this, simple, I'm using one break tag. Then input type is equal to button. Input type is equal to button. Understood? Right. On click is equal to what you are giving on click time. I want to click. What is the name of that? Function name I'm giving. Yes, you given function name. What is that one? Whatever the name you used. Then I'm giving value is equal to simple form validation. Form validation. Super. Form validation. At least whatever I wrote, am I clear? Check it. Take your own time. Many controls I need to write. Somebody questioned me already. After else, please explain. What you need to explain, you can tell me after else. What I need to explain after else, you can tell me. Else after whatever. See, for example, you entered something, if part executing. You didn't enter anything, else part executing. I hope you understood that one. Special explanation doesn't require. Yes, else part is saying, sorry, you must not be given, that means you must not entertain to empty, because input field is compulsory. Then simply shall I do here, otherwise to make it a sense, label, and I said, for example, username, shall I say like this, asterisk? Can I say? So asterisk whenever I'm saying there is a meaning available, and style is equal to, and you can make it even color red also. So everything will be very clear. All of you happy? Then you are giving even break tag also here. It will be more happy. Then if you are going to continue that, I think, is it meaningful now? Come on, software engineers. Is it meaningful now? As per the live environment, are you enjoying things here? Very good. So now symbol you are providing that, and symbol you are using this. Click. How nicely validating. Sorry, you must enter some data. Oh my God. Clear? Right. So now it is giving that, but now I'm writing. Yes. Is it okay now? Whatever entered? Click on that. Hello, you entered. Yes. Right. Nice, this one. This is really good. We wrote action is equal to html5.png. That is not a matter. Okay. So executed here. This much logic you wrote, these many lines you wrote, this is completely nonsense, my dear. Why don't you write simply in the text box level, required is equal to required? That's it. Why all these things required? You can tell me now. Required is equal to required. If you are writing, same thing happens. Same thing happens. This is very important. Required also very powerful. Can't we use focus to fixed field without entering some button? Yes, we can. Yes, Ratnakumar, already I said on focus method you can use, on focus event you can use otherwise. On focus event you can use otherwise. So why don't you go for required is equal to required? Why don't you go for required is equal to required, my dears? Getting everyone, not going any place. This is very important here. Okay, definitely I'll show you. So nowadays we are using in different level. Nowadays we are using in different levels. So that much logic, whatever you wrote, nowadays which constraint is satisfying that much logic? Which constraint is satisfying that much logic? Required construct. This required constraint already explained, again I shown to you now. So very important this one. In which HTML version actually required available? In which HTML version required available? You can tell me that. In HTML5 level actually required came, correct? Right. I don't want click on the submit button. Without clicking the submit button, can I do disabled here? Can I do disabled here? Now come to button level. Can you try to click on button now? Is it possible to click on button now? Come on. Is it possible to click on button now? No, there is no. So disabled. See the next attribute. See the next attribute. The disabled attribute specifies that the input field is disabled. A disabled element is unclickable. Disabled elements will not be submitted. Super, super, super. Disabled elements will not be submitted. How you are understanding, my dears, validations? Are you there? Are you getting the things? Hello, everyone. But nowadays we are not using JavaScript. These validations level also we are using Angular related one because no need to write coding. Built-in validations available there. Built-in validations available. If you practice really JavaScript very well, after JavaScript, whatever you learned JavaScript based technologies, it is very easy for you. Please remember everyone this word. The disabled attribute specifies the input field is disabled. Come on, everyone. Observe we are disabled this program. Same whatever I shown to you just now. Just now I used already. So just I made disable button. In this exam, if I run this example, can expect what output will come? Correctly observe this example. Of course, already I wrote just now script. If I run this example, what will happen? Take your own time and tell me, no problem. Yes, we can give Ratnakumari. If you are not entering more than 5 characters, make it disable. If you entered more than 5 characters, make it enable. I'll show you that one also. Because validations just now started. Me allow to do that. Very good. Button on click is disabled. Correctly observe. If I click first button, what happened? If I click second button, what happened? Bhuban, I can say first practice JavaScript very well. Be confident, be stronger. That is my suggestion. After that, as you like. Yes, OK button will be disabled. Correct. If you click disable element, OK button will be disabled. Perfect. Correct. If I'm going to do this, the program I'm changing like this. For example, I'm taking here second button. If I'm going to click here second button, then what happened now? If I click disable element, which one will be disabled? Cancel button will be disabled. This is really nice. Good expectation, you people are. Hope fine, everybody. You understood, I think. Very good. Excellent. Shall I move forward? Understood up to here. Shall I move forward quickly? Come on. Right. So return the value of the button. How we are going to return the value of the button? So what are the preconditions we need to? So button level, some names available. How we are going to return that? By using value attribute. What is there? Already value attribute just now I wrote. Yes. Button is paid available, non-paid available. So generally non-paid level, which attribute available? Paid level, which attribute available? You can tell me that. Come on. Paid level, which attribute available? Non-paid level, which attribute available? Paid level, inner HTML available. Non-paid level, value available. Excellent. Right. Excellent. So that part you can. I'll show you that part. Directly I'm writing. Let me take all these words. Okay, very good. Now body level I'm taking. Simple I'm writing. Input type is equal to button means paid or non-paid. Come on. Non-paid. Very good. Value is equal to click me. Non-paid means what will be there? Very good. Click the button to return the value. To return the value. To return the value. Simple here while I'm writing script. Again, header pod, all the things I don't want. Right. Script level, I'm showing the things here. What I'm writing. Document dot write. Document dot write. What I'm going to. Anybody? Document dot get element by ID. Anybody? What ID is there here? Come on. What ID is there? BTN. ID is BTN dot. Very simple. Dot value. That's it. That's it. So the button value is I'm writing like this. The button value is okay. I'm closing here. Previously also used it like this. Okay. Come on, everyone. Is it okay for you? Now I want to change this. Click me as Naresh IT. So if I'm giving here inner HTML property, working or not working? Come on, quickly, everyone. Working or not working? Check it properly. Not working. Reason. Container tags, my dears, paid and non-paid. Already explained all these things to you in the basic sessions level. Hope you people remember, practice, not only remembering, practice. Things should be in a position to practice. Following me, shall I move forward to next level? Right. So next level, we can see the things. Close the window, you know already. Previously, I used that one. Oh, this is very important. Radio buttons. What is the speciality of the radio buttons? Can you tell me what is the speciality of radio buttons? Rudra, you are wrong. Select at a time only. Select at a time only. One item or one control. Can we select more than one control in the radio button? No. Generally, 90% cases we are using radio button for single selection. Checkbox for multiple selections. Radio button, single selection. Excellent. Super you are. Radio button is a single selection. Checkbox is the multiple selection. All these are simplified. Very important. Very good. Nice. Now I'm going to radio button validation. Check it correctly. For example, on my web page, select your valid gender, I said. Generally, valid gender means how many options I'm giving? 3 options. Male you can select, female you can select, other you can select. Okay, transgender. Whenever you are going to select anyone, it is giving option anyone, then page is going to next one. Otherwise, it is giving validation. Sorry, please select valid gender. Oh, very good. Can you write like that program? Sure, definitely. I'm there to write like that program only. Come down. Everything you can kick it out. Okay. Function R validate. RB, radio button validate. Now I'm giving radio button validate. Radio 1 is equal to. So document dot get element by ID. First I'm giving male. I think this is better direct attack. Right, male I'm giving. Okay. Dot, there is a property available checked. Anybody you heard the name checked here? Get element by ID, I am giving map. Where R1 is equal to. Check it. Oh, bracket not. Right, I'm giving another one also. Can you tell me? Radio button 2 also I'm checking. Female. I'm writing condition like that. Can you check? If, check it everybody. If R1 equal to empty and R2 equal to empty, then I'm writing condition. What that one? Alert. Alert. Please select valid gender. And written, I'm giving a false. Super. Check it once, everybody. If you selected, I'm giving return true. Oh, beautiful. Check it, check it. Take your own time. You are understanding R2 wrong. Why R2 wrong? R2 is the capital. No problem. Logic, check it. Everybody okay? Come on, how the logic is. Please check it once again. Why it always returns true, my dear? There is no chance. If you are not selecting return false, if you are selecting return true, my dear, who asked me that one? Ramesh. If you didn't select anything, what will come? I didn't selected male, I didn't selected female, I didn't selected others, I didn't select anything. Is it returning true or false? False means what? Else part. Yeah, sorry, false means if part in this situation. True means what? Yeah, return. No, and operator we must use, we should not write like that. Ratna Kumari. That is maybe Python related operations you are doing. JavaScript never stop support like that. JavaScript conditions very close to C language. Come on. Shall I write the body part for this one? Shall I write the body part for this one? What body part we are going to write? You can tell me. Come on, form we are writing. Form inside what we are writing, label we are writing. Hello, you are. Oh, very good. Hello, you are. Very good. So now I'm giving. Form inside generally what we are writing. Action we are writing. Whatever you want, you can. HTML or something image available here. Okay, right. Action I'm giving redirecting to. Method is not compulsory. I'm giving method if you want. Right. Now I'm giving label inside. Come on, everybody. Input type is equal to. Input type is equal to. Radio. ID is equal to. Shall I say male here? Come on, shall I say male? Value is not compulsory. Yes, input type value ID is equal to male, value not compulsory, but I'm giving here male. Again, you are giving here radio. What you are giving here? Again, you are giving here. What that one? No ID, nothing. Because if is that is not, this is not, what will be? Radio. What will be? Others. Then what we are giving? Very good. Input type is equal to submit. Input type is equal to submit. On click is equal to what we need to write. RB validate, complete coding sessions, last 10-15 sessions onwards, more coding sessions. That on click is equal to you provided. Then what I need to write after that one? Value is equal to validate form body. Then you are giving, come on. What it is saying? It is returning alert. Please select valid gender. Am I selected any gender here? No. Right, I selected, for example, HTML5 image is not there, don't worry. Male I selected. Valid. Female I selected. See, problem here? Very good. Then what I need to go there? Then what I need to go there? Come on, what I need to change? Yes, it should be gender. Same name. You remember previously we did name or value? Name or value? Very good. Name. Previously already worked out. Wonderful. I think some of you guys forgot all these things. So HTML5 is not there. We'll check it there or not. CAD is there. CAD picture will give. Come on. Select valid gender. Okay, pictures are not there. That is only problem. If you select it, it's not talking anything. I hope you understood or not. You can check it. I selected. So CAD1, CAD2, maybe some images not there. It is giving page not found. Even it is validation perfect happening. So now I didn't select anything. What happened? So come to logic level. By using same logic, can you write for the checkbox? Can you use same logic? Can you write for the checkbox? I'm giving the task now. Can you use the same logic? Can we write for the checkbox, everyone? Not for gender. Checkbox for technologies. Some courses, technologies, something, whatever it is. I'm sending today many programs. Please don't try to see my logic and don't write. Don't try to copy logic. Copy the structure, copy the way how Rajus are implemented, but don't try to copy my programs. Maybe if you are going to online, there are different kinds of logics available. I do agree that. But you can try to implement your logic in a simplified manner. That is very important. Am I okay? Okay, right. I'm giving one question first, validation level. Check button level courses. I said already courses. What is this? Oh, it is machine learning. Okay. Now, check button you can write minimum 2 selected or not. Rudra, minimum 2 check boxes compulsory because multiple selection. HTML. Yes, Saurabh. JS validations. I'm giving notes first, then I'll give the task to you. Email validation, shall I provide today or email validation the next level? Because already I'm giving 10 programs, 10 validated programs. Continue email means I'll continue. Right. Validation 2 coming to you. Yes, check it property only, Rudra. Okay, notes uploaded. One small task I'm giving. Already many tasks I provided. I don't know how many you people solved Saturday, Sunday these tasks. Anybody? Are you doing solution? Okay, sure. Definitely, Ratna Kumari. Write a script to validate uh, checkbox for multiple selections. At least 2 must select. Understood? First of all, what I'm giving? Practice up to here. Prime numbers program already written. I'll explain to you, Ratna Kumar, in the next session or ending level. Remind members, please, you can try to provide the solution for all the tasks, whichever I provided here. Assignments, very important. Some of you guys asked me in the starting of our sessions, you remember, sir, assignments you are giving or not? Are you teaching validations or not? But all your doubts and all your questions, what happened today? Because 90% people are, you are not giving solution for assignments. I know that. Okay, last tomorrow or day after tomorrow, assignments, how many you solved? Thank you. Solve with assignments, catch you people tomorrow, more with validations tomorrow. Yes, I'll give you. Bharadwaj, don't worry about that one. Come on, remaining any technical question. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Ratna Kumari. Sure, definitely. Ending, I'll give you all PDF files. Don't worry. Okay, Bhuvan. Always JavaScript only, my dear. Thank you. Bye. Yes, as you wish, Saurabh. Ratnakumar, I'll explain after validations. Don't worry. Otherwise, logic will post in the Google Classroom. Yeah, Nikhila, that is up to you. First, JavaScript perfect, but you can join Angular also.